Hi guys, welcome to this video. It's been a long time since I last recorded video on the Pinpoint Signal Service YouTube channel. So this is very new video in this year 2026. So today we will start with dollar CAD, and we will try to explain what's going on with this currency pair. So let's go over to the charts and just try to explain what's happening here. So as we can see, we are currently in a monthly time frame on a dollar CAD. So basically we have this up move here like this, then we have this down move, and now we have this up move here. Now as you can see here, we are consolidating since January 1st, 2016. So that's basically consolidation of almost 7 years of consolidation. So this consolidation is very complex in nature, and it's very, how to say, very difficult to identify what is happening here. But just based on the system I'm using, I can just say this here is one very big corrective pattern that is developing. And this corrective pattern is potentially a running flat correction, because as we all know, I mean, not we all know, I know, I don't know if you know what is a running flat correction, or potentially expanded flat correction, it doesn't matter. But for now, we have this consolidation within this range. And this consolidation started on January 1st, 2016. So you can just calculate how many years this price is consolidating. So for now, we just look this down move, up move, down move, up move. Now what is happening here is very important, because this here represents very complex B wave within a corrective pattern. So we can label this as a wave here. This up move, down move, and up move represents the B wave, which is expanded flat. So B wave, and then we have this another down move, which is C wave here. Now we can expect this price to go break this low possibly, or if it doesn't break this low, then this will be another type of a correction. If we don't break this low here, if we just stop here and do like something like this, if we have this one here, then this go like this, then this would give us a running flat correction, because we'll have B wave broken the beginning of the A wave, and this C wave don't go below the end of the B wave, so something like this. This would give us a running flat corrective pattern, which then would go like this. And this move here, you can also combine this support resistance or supply and demand zones, because once price reaches this level here, once we reach this level here, then all the big players will try to enter long positions and try to catch this move here to break this top. This is very big structure. It's very complicated because this is a much higher time frame than a 5-minute or 15-minute chart. So all the big players, banks and everybody else will try to get long position somewhere around this area here. So this is the area where the big institutional players will try to enter long position and try to have this up move. As you can see, this is more than around 4,000 pips potential of 4,000 pips. But this trade requires a lot of patience because this move here will last for maybe a couple of years, I don't know. Because you can expect something like this here. You had this up move, this is the end of the correction, so similar, the move will happen similar to this one here. So this is the up move, and if we project it to here, as you can see, this would give us around 5,000 pips, as you can see. So basically, as I said earlier, this is very complex correction on most higher time frames. On a monthly time frame, this is a potential running flat, or as I said earlier, if we break this level here, if we break this level, then it will give us expanded flat. Now expanded flat, it's little bit more trickier or difficult, more difficult than running flat to trade, because you don't know where will this C wave will end. As you can see, if we go low here, break this level, you don't know how deep can this C wave go. So you can go here and then do this. It can go even here and do this. Or if it goes even deeper, so if this C wave goes even deeper like this here, then we can have this big running flat here. I just want you to understand how complex this wave analysis is. So this is very complicated and very complex trading strategy, but once you master the higher time frames, you have very big potential to enter movements that big players are catching. So as I said, if this C wave goes here like this, then there is potential that we can be looking like this: A, B and C. So this would give us just much bigger running flat like this, for example. And in this case, if we get something like that, then all of this correction here will be just a B wave within a B wave. So this would give us A, B, C. A, B and C, A, B and C, A, B and C, and finally most higher degree would give us something like this: A, B and C, and then we'll go down here. But this is very complicated, and I don't think that any of us would live this long to see if this structure will complete like this or something else. But for now, most important thing is just to focus on sell setups on USDCAD, and once price reaches this level here, you try to catch the uptrend, this 5,000 move, and try to keep this trade open for as long as possible. That's it for today. I hope you understood my system, and see you next time. Goodbye.